Updating your legal name on Veritone is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Veritone account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Name Change option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide required documentation. You may need to upload legal documentation that supports your name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Submit your request. After filling out the necessary information and uploading documents, review your changes and submit the request. You should receive a confirmation email once your name change is processed. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Veritone. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.